good afternoon. Welcome to Inside Kotoko here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Prince, we have a call here.
I don't know what we be fine.
I'll pick your phone there.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, Kotoko ball friendly against Lions. A preseason friendly. I think that there's a high profile one on my ball. You ever come match details, no?
Yes.
But the game ended 1-0. Goal scored by Inusa Adams. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Very important.
My catcher say Inusa Adams, he had a deal. But Stanley Menzo, that catcher, the agency of Inusa Adams, said the boy is part of their plans.
Yeah.
So Inusa Adams is not going anywhere. That is what the management or the technical department of Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
A catcher Inusa Adams and his team. Now I can confidently tell you, say, as a report, if you are Crabani, very, very positive.
Okay.
We will delve into that. But after the game, I have coaches or more comments we hear. Because I say, Eric Tinkler and Andile of Metro FM and TV in South Africa.
Yeah.
A interview.
Yes.
Yeah, they count MP and right Chichimua. Then right after the game, Kotoko openly cancel the coach is going to speak. So Eric Tinkler Sankasa. Now we're talking about close to 10 things.
Okay.
Yes. After the game.
Okay.
And interestingly, the results. His focus is not on
the result.
The score line. 1-0 no. Don't forget Kotoko won 90 plus 45. Eric Tinkler seems to be focusing on certain patterns that is very necessary during preseason.
Okay.
As a Prince, about a discussion, said preseason is not really about the results. But maybe our person.
Yeah.
Now, this is Eric Tinkler after the game. He is disappointed. Not with the players.
Okay.
Not with the results. But the environment. Environment now. I'm talking about the pitch.
Yeah.
I see one kind. And it looks like Tinkler one hokakra.
Yes.
One thing that I feel it would affect the plan of playing the total football pitches.
Yes. Yes, you can
and one was started because on the delay interview or talking about infrastructure and how Ghana as a nation yeah. And it said what's kind of same thing. Now if I want to quote him, you're making that post on our Facebook page and our handles. You can enjoy us from them all. But this is Eric Tinkler, and I want to. We talked about the league. We talked about the target of Kotoko. League, a host of issues. But number one, I'll say the pitch or the pitches are not good. We want to play possessive-based football, but the pitch makes it much harder.
Okay.
Park na yesi so kind. Emma agro na ye pesi ye die no eye den de man. Ball na ye pesi ye bone ye bre. E wo ball no fi se park na enye.
Yes.
Okay. Then he proceed to talk about other things. Or say it is very, very difficult to improve players on pitches like this.
Yeah.
And way ahead. Now let me explain. Chill. The first point in here say he wants his team to have a style.
Yeah.
A style that would keep every football fan on their toes. You watch the Kotoko game, you will leave and go back, and you go with something significant.
Yes.
And yes, I want now a kind of saying, when you say, born here, because you are leaving your home, coming to pay money to watch good football.
That's true.
So as I said, the ball a casting now born a casting a bear far. I go pramano so near the bono ebeto.
Yes.
And even I go pramano so. And the park it is not good. Enti eyi bibi free ball fe na opesa obonu. Ti ma wo bre so obeton ade e fe e de ama chitafo.
Yeah.
Any one. Number 2. Or say so opesa wo chiro obi ade. Nipa ni gidie woni mu has a part to play. E wa ade na opesa wo chiro nipa. That's the confidence of the person. Na nipa ni gidie be kosoro a eye bra de no kire no kose okoye a otimi ye ende ma nya gidie se fufuro na abesa a kire no no obetimi asai inse na me kire 2+2 na me ma okwan se 2+2 no koye ho adwuma na ukona wo failure wan kasa wonya gidie wo mu e ma ne de se betimi a kire wo 2+2+5
yes
me de fufuro be ka ho
Because we anti we na se.
And I want to say about the sacred one said when young Muji decided and met me and answer me. So according to Eric Tinkler, when the players try to play the possessive game, which will eventually improve these players because the pitch is bad. At the end of watching what training is uncontrolled back, no born to hand. Or try so control pitching in or control not born echo. So best start here doubt say ade minimiana. Number 2, esabe biem. Obe na say you control 2. Obe control 2 awie no. Na say na was on control 1 and on ontimi nye.
Yeah.
So the pitch will be stealing the key indicators of improvement e will play an ball no.
Yes.
We wi asa de. Every nipa no. Mo say nipa ne bobo a afi no ho aka start. Esi mi trase.
Yeah.
No ankasa ni gidie woni mu no eyira.
Yeah.
That is thinking. Just about say ending say obechire obi ade yie e wo pitch bi say so. Number 3. I say the question of indiscipline. Me say coach. Now team obefa e de ya tese mrantie ni mbuade. And Eric Tinkler say ono abobo ni bi pen.
Yeah.
And he feels that when performance is bad, any little thing off the field becomes an issue.
Yes.
So Monday morning nya, at the kitwe bia ebe koso aguprama na chi no, na be asem kese. And he feels that the man Monday morning ko ye ni so answer, o say kan asa de be wie pitch no. Free say confine ebobo o control na afa na ase.
Yeah.
O control na ya we lose possession. Or Chinabi and Enra so be unsa confe. Girl bit in the car front. The can say we are going to
yes.
We can park this one out to papa. We don't know any man. But can you panic me born you or park in this one? And can baby girl not in the camp and phobia. Then I'm a player and to me I'm going you. Then I'm a player and then I find on the field discipline went to Yanya a pitch.
Yes.
There's a thing when you Ghana referees and you know. When you started and come master, they say pitch in the womb.
Oh yeah.
About two senior man for So these are 5. These are 3 things. Now point number 4. On the indiscipline aspect, no see you successfully based on unknown men's observation. They've been able to get rid of the stubborn guys. So they've gotten rid of the rotten ones. And now the team is much united.
Okay.
Competing positively. And they are enjoying their own peace. Yes.
Okay.
So they've gotten rid of the rotten ones. And the team is enjoying peace. And here number 4. I said my Tinkler. Number 5. Tinkler, a question on what his target. And Eric Tinkler in the target a top 2. Yes.
Top 2.
So my target is the top 2. Meaning say we are catcher Tinkler say top 2 in the Africa, but Tinkler top 2 for Uncle Africa. Just what the FA Cup.
I had it.
And our league.
Yes.
Okay. Now say I am a winner. And everywhere that I go, I display it.
Okay.
The Biamekobia Mobia was a Miobia
Kunimidi na mepe.
And I mepe. Into your account, say, I am not here to earn salary and leave.
Wow.
So there's a man back. ma jima ketua
na me ko
na ebre no so amekọ there I say I am here to compete
hey
and win and you people will see it as the season keeps progressing.
That's right.
Number 5 no me boy.
Yes.
Number 6, Eric Tinkler, a question about materials was asked. Say, Kochi, what can we any idea? Now, materials, no, so no. At the saying, oh, we have the materials to compete for the league title. Though, as humans, some days will be bad for certain players, but we believe in their total ability. Until the Tosun Siano, Tinkler the woman say, Mrantia na Kotoko nani aja. Na Mrantia no ahokeka. So bet me aboa Asante Kotoko. Amomo etin ku the press.
Was.
Na mention cancer na me the other ones. Say 10, about 6. Na mention can be na me the aka na ba so.
In some coach Eric Tinkler kano in some more depa na this tells me how serious the man is. And na juma opeso ye no ono baby opeso odi adwuma no kokopem. This is a very serious coach. And what some kind cry me de cry say or say he's not here to earn salaries. Na we are no fan back no for that is a big no. That is a good sign of a good coach. Or pese we nim ne o ba be no pese o ye bibi nso e wo hono. With the issue of pitches na de me nim da san komo we bitwa. Because ya can't the time and time again say your pitches na we krum has you know. Bebre about 99% of your pitches na nyina is in bad shape. Talk about the your mind and kasadia. Talk about near individuals and so kasadia. And the class same kind of crowd say krum as na no kwa you be kura no so no state kura to say. Into pitches are 70. I knew say yet then with the style of coach Eric Tinkler. The ideologies are person digu akwam no. Send your person is here na niam afa no. You say yet then baby a obesha say o complain kese pa ba be pitches. Because the ball no person o no. The basics. The man the ball no person o no. That is the possession based football no. E be very very effective. And say obenya the right pitches aboso. So to get the right pitches in the boss with the other, it means the style no person born empire bebem. Na nkonko yese ye games ni bi wo hono mo betimi abo. Ebi wo hono ma na atia kwa akoda. Na ye nhye hu Asante Kotoko identity ni yi. Nti pitches asem ne de ya ka ho asem a eno hwe ni games or boy against Benap El Pajo Park na so against Ebony el Sofola na Strotel no so. Na wasa akoko bo bi sa wa Accra. Esa ka ho obo 2 ni 2 ni nyina babo no wa Accra na clearly right from Kumasi Diana or the copy Accra no none of them. And I always to me do on says these pitches are high standard pitches are and they has you know a grade A pitches are coaches need to me a born style of play was so effectively you need be it pitches are 7 there it is going to be a big problem even league in the class start here that is where the problem is going to be the most because when who say ministry na FA no release 14 venues I able league in the out of the 14 no still almost say eno ne we mu de ne ya gya tuma eno ne ya papa but still so bad so 14 venues ne kura no o sa dege yie pa we are still going to get majority of these venues are kura NSMT still you better face problems so pitches then there minim da ko ebetwa and what shall say o complain no o be complain sa because the ebeba no ebe di ehu no kura na bi kura na ohun bi sa ada. Then I love the way he handled the players no because this is a coach ahun o ma you say when you blame no kese pa no do na dey free the players ne so enti ene no o di asamfo fro e ba to Asante Kotoko supporters ne trim say look samo ba no mo be hwe games na mo say players no say le be say mesi ball me ball no one touch football unya no release unhu ne saa eye because enye se memra ntie ne modern ball from there bi nemom eye because of sent baby o mo ball no e ho no mo I just say control ball no more than one etinka baby anko be release ball no quicker anka team ne betime quick attacking transitions no this time I was a player and team kuta ball no be 2 or 3 and some of the team about the fourth one and the be pass no into time be it delayed the growth of a style. So I love how I was here handle a hono no enti ha say no we a player now we Eric Tinkler player you know say baby we hono kan say ball no say style coach the person we see ball no say when ntimi amma the coach is not blaming you 100% for mistakes now we no he knows it and he has started seeing it say we baba ye ade e be ha ne pa yie enti no me pe how I was here handle a hono no any say ne was here yi blame ne kese no we yi this one can say and they free the players so it is a smart one with indiscipline there no so bad me are very happy so on one kasa atu nanum tu aka say o matimi yi indiscipline say no e be a free club nim and I know say
kateboni
ochagu and they good pa say on one kasa on Stanley o matimi atena se hu ni say no say yi say kuwe mu de free team ni ma na say ye fa kwan we so ne fa kwan we so e betimi yi san yama ni na de free. This is why I always love the foreign coaches. The foreign coaches they say you can trust them when it comes to discipline. Say you have discipline from camp, believe them. Impo say coach ne kwa say on field results kranya discipline levels wa camp there you dare not. It's really there. You have players in the bed. I na time bia menya nanka yemfa foreign coaches ni more yemfa adwuma ne fa more. Yes, because some of them they are able to control the scene. Everything they camp bia necessary. Players attitude they were the back mechanism of playing body no omo body because omo attitude class because these are people omo no baby omo free ban they are raised from discipline ye omo ko school no ye kire omo discipline and omo discipline and nanti omo the whole life nyina enti baby obeko bia no ade omo person omo make sure say wo ho no the discipline aspect which ye nyina ye hu say it has become a problem for Asante Kotoko now board chairman ko complaining about discipline. And you know, so what team kasa we say now they are bringing unity into the team. So bad. Me no, ye share league and I say ye nim be see ye nim that chance. But I am starting to believe that we are going to have a peaceful Asante Kotoko season. Okay. Very peaceful. Yen konkote a chien komo bia e be kwakọ fast and fufu bia saba and also ba be headache on the supporters and also e be slow board na adwuma no. So for that, I am really happy with it. So on what we can want them. Then with the decision no of set up a finishing the top 2. Yeah. So but smart one.
I say obeji salary.
So but Tinkler will Najuma and he is a very good communicator.
Okay. Can you say me yo?
No say Mrs. so pa. Because where say metena say me tie coaches ni bidia. So then ko ba catch us say the target your top 4.
Okay.
Oh, I want to finish in the top 4. I want to finish in the top 4. Into a first start. Fine. Second, third, fourth. Or top 4 ni nkwa de into or season ma or prepare for the top 4. And also the yati bebre coaches bebre umkobuzana. Me dem target you say me finishing the top 4. No. Asante Kotoko target shouldn't be in the top 4. It should be the first 2. Fine, say I say the first 2 no and guarantee qualification to Africa, unless you win the league and the FA Cup. And open out the chances of playing in the Champions League or the Confederations Cup. But imagine your season every now Asante Kotoko Angie League and as a 1J FA Cup. Now league no Kotoko finish second. Now maybe the points gap between will be first and the any Kotoko will be second. And me am find say 3 points or less than 2 points. Look at the momentum. Ebeba Asante Kotoko team going forward. So with that plan when the team said Wamaha just to earn salaries, he came here to win. And the baby about Kobiano Oja winning at 2 honomono. It is a good communication. Until they say, you know, we Kotoko support and I would say as we are. You would know say Mudi coach and as a captain bia or no or Renachi or fearo ehu ni or you bold and somebody and determination levels also a that is the kind of leader or captain if you have this captain shape so bad you know say you are going to have a peaceful journey. I know going forward or more bang team David Mo train against the coach. I have said we did first and about Champions League. Now with the confederations now that me bought the FA Cup with the FA Cup now me bought confederations cup no. It's first two there found Africa but it is a good communication. I love that. So one cut off four. Me cut off four now and can you imagine if you never be so. Yes. Cameroon is okay. Then we are going into a season a normal to send the coach here but this time top two means we should help Tinkler right from game 1 until the last game of the season, which is 34. That is why I was starting complaining about pitches in sense because he wants the best for the team. Yeah. It is so bad. Maybe Debbie. Or person of my team, a philosophy, an ideology. Who is Asante Kotoko team? Who share almost time now to me is this is a clear football. At least, Oba Stadium Krana says Kotoko Korean mini game na so but your games in the on ma. Team ain't mini games in there be insisa. But there are ones you could clearly see as a supporter say where the lack now my team the side but boys ne bobo. Okay. That is the kind of atmosphere he wants to build and I'm really happy with them seminar wakano. Say the kind of preseason is not about results. Preseason is about finding the right rhythm and identity for the team. If you get the rhythm and the identity well, the results will automatically follow. Okay. It's Stanley, Tinkler, so bad. I will rate
it. Discipline, you're okay with or get rid of the bad ones now.
Yes, and then I can say, you're okay with it, because that is why I said I trust these foreigners. Foreigners no more I trust you almost in discipline levels. They will take it out and bring positivity to camp. And I trust that and I'm happy. So on one case, it can't answer. Yes, I'm very, very happy with it.
Okay, so that was Eric Tinkler after the game. And our church and Adrian, yet about the top of the amount. From the top 2 targets to getting rid of players to improvement of pitches and all other factors. And yeah, the amount. Because 1-0.
Okay.
Abranti friend Inusa Adams and the share go no. Asante Kotoko. Now, after the game, most of the fans of Asante Kotoko are calling for a proper number 9. You better match no observation.
Okay.
You better observation.
Okay.
But the normal amount for can be no. The number 9. Number 9. Boy, your boy, we could call 9 be Jinemua. I had to say, Ofabe Bia, because it's like those who start here, when push your mom.
That be.
When push your mom. But got to another match against Sympathy. So look at that one. And also, Abu Adams. Plus our J and Neno.
Oh, wow.
After so free bench, ebe replace Emmanuel Kote. After Kote picked a knock. There'll be a video for that. But until then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.